So how would we go about doing a precise calculation? We saw in the previous segment how we would do an estimate. Well, what we would do is we would start out, if we have a student that's 110 pounds, we know that on Earth, 1 kilogram, a perfect 1 kilogram with infinite number of significant digits, is equal to this many pounds. Well, we have 110 pounds and 1 kilogram. And when we write it this way, we mean it has an infinite number of digits. And that is the number of 2.204622622 is the number of pounds per 1 kilogram. Well, the pounds cancel. And when we divide that out in our calculators, we get this number, 49.8951607. And so that's how we would get that precise answer. Now, we, of course, need to deal with significant digits. This number has 3, 6, 9, 10 digits. And this 110 has 2 digits, just the 1, 1. For 110, there's only one way we could say that has 3 digits is if they had put a decimal point right there. That decimal point means the 0 is significant. Otherwise, we assume the 0 is not. So there's 2 digits, so our final answer could have 2 digits, which means this 8 would cause that to round up, and we would have 50 kilograms, which we could write with the decimal point, or we could write 5.0 times 10 to the 1 kilograms. When we did the estimate in the previous page, we got 55, and that's, of course, an estimate that's about 55 kilograms. And we find out here it's exactly 50, 5.0 times 10 to the 1 kilograms. That estimate got us pretty close. We knew it was about the size of 50 or 60, not the size of 100 or 800 or something like that. So lastly, we want to just go back and revisit what we meant. Pounds and kilograms are different quantities. They're not the same thing. We've got force, and this is mass. They can't be converted except under special circumstance, and that special circumstance is the surface of the Earth, where 1 kilogram is about 2 pounds. So if we wanted to do an estimate, we take the number of pounds, divide it by 2, or the kilograms and multiply it by 2, and that's going to give us an estimate. Lastly, the precise value is 1 kilogram is 2.204622 pounds, and we store that in our calculator as J. So at this point forward, you should always be able to easily get a sense of how large something is in kilograms, or if you've got kilograms, to put it in something you understand, which is pounds, as well as to do a precise calculation.